Talofa lava, and welcome to Measina Treasures of Samoa. I'm Measina. Today we're learning Samoan words that you can use when going through customs at the airport. Enjoy! Our first Samoan word that you can use at the airport when traveling to Samoa is o te sau e te whao. O te sau e te whao. I'm here on holiday. So te whao can be like used as holiday. It can also be used as just messing around. Yeah. O te sau e te whao. I'm here on holiday. Our next Samoan word that you can use when traveling to Samoa at the airport. It is o te nofo mo le lima aso. O te nofo mo le lima aso. I'm here for 5 days. So lima can be interchanged for any number of days that you're in the country. So there's tasi, lua, tolofa, lima, ono, fitu, valu, iwa, sefulu, and so forth. So yes, o te nofo mo le lima sefulu. Oh, lima aso. Okay. Our next Samoan word that you can use when traveling to Samoa at the airport is e iai au o loa e fia whailoa atu. E iai au o loa e fia whailoa atu. I have something to declare. So I'd just like to take this time to let you know that this video is brought to you by the Measina Treasures of Samoa Samoan Basics course. So this is an online course that you can take to learn the basics of Samoan. So telling the time, days of the week, numbers, greetings, and some simple phrases for you to say in Samoan. So this course is available online now. It is self-paced, so you can take it as many times as you like. You can go as fast as you like. You can go as slow as you like. It is audio based, so you can listen to it while you're on the go or while you're walking. Yes, and it's only $37, so very good value if you are looking to learn Samoan. Just the basics, not like Matai title type language. So the basics of Samoan, audio, available now. Link is in our bio or description. It's in the description. Yeah. Our next Samoan word that you can use, or Samoan phrase that you can use while traveling in Samoa at the airport is e le o a'u e ana. E le o a'u o ana, and that means that's not mine. So when they're asking if that's your bag, you can say e le o a'u e ana, that's not mine. Whawhatai tele lava, and thank you for joining us here at Measina Treasures of Samoa. We want to make sure that you've been listening to and paying attention to our video. So leave a comment in the comment section. What does lima mean? Oh shoot, I just told you. What does lima mean? Yeah. Okay. Tell us in the comments. Whawhatai te lava, and thank you for joining us here at Measina Treasures of Samoa. Remember to like, subscribe, and share our posts if you found value, if you liked it. And yeah, whawhatai te lava, whaasoi fua.